Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of Real Analysis asked in Iit Jam 2023. So our question is, let Iit Jam 2023. Let f R2 to R2 be defined as follows. fxy is equals to x to the power 4 y cube upon x to the power 6 plus y6 if xy is not equals to 0 and 0 if x comma y is equals to 0. Then which of the following is true? So we have to discuss the limit first and then partial derivative with respect to x and partial derivative with respect to y. So first we discussed option A. Limit t tends to 0, f of t comma t to t minus f of 0 upon 2 is equals to 1 upon 3. So here we have to find the limit at t comma t comma 2t. So we will put this in the function f. In place of x we will put t and in place of y we will put 2t. So we will put this in this function. What we get? T to the power 4 to 2 to the power cube upon 2 to the power 6 plus 2t power 6 minus at 0 comma 0 this function becomes 0 and upon what? T. So what we get? 2 to the power 7 2 cube upon 2 to the power 6 1 plus 2 to the power 6 which is equals to 8 upon 65. As t to the power 7 cuts t to the power 7, we get 8 upon 65. Here option is 1 upon 3, which is wrong. So first option discard. So let's discuss B option. Same, we'll put t comma t in place of x and y. T tends to 0. F of t, that is t to the power 4, t to the power 3 upon t to the power 6 plus t to the power 6 minus of 0 upon t, that is equals to t to the power 7 upon t to the power 6 1 plus 1 which is equals to 1 upon 2. So this option is correct. Now we'll discuss C option. We have to find a partial derivative of f with respect to x. So what is this? If we have to find a partial derivative of f with respect to h, then limit h tends to 0, f of h comma 0 minus of f of 0 comma 0 upon h. Now we will put this in function. What we get? 0. In place of x we will put h and in place of y we will put 0. So all becomes 0 minus 0 upon h. This is equals to 0. So the option is correct. Now for option D. What we do for option D? We will put del f upon del y and we will find a partial derivative of this function with respect to y. We will put limit k tends to 0. For y we will put limit k tends to 0 f of 0 comma k minus f of 0 comma 0 upon k. So in place of 0 x we will put 0 and in place of y we will put k. So this all function becomes 0 and minus 0 upon k which is equals to 0. So option D is also correct. This is a part C question. So 3 options are correct. So this is a solution of this question. If you like this video, hit the like button and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.